The VoltSagger project. This started off about 5 or 10 years ago with a project using a PIC microcontroller and an LCD display that showed both the number of flights the plane had and how far or how low the receiver voltage sagged during flight. This cost about $20–25 to make, thereabouts. And now we've got the Arduino Nano series, the devices right here, and they've been programmed with a similar kind of software that monitors the receiver voltage and lets you know if it went down too far during a flight or whatever it might be. I'm going to reset both of these. And they are programmed differently. This one only shows the voltage if it drops below what I've programmed at 5.7 volts, and that can be changed in the Arduino Sketch software very easily. The unit on this side is showing the voltage continuously, and we're checking by the number of flashes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.5 volts. I've got way too many feet of servo extensions on this thing. It's about 3 or 4 feet of wire in there, and that might be something you could run across in a giant scale airplane, or standard wires in a giant scale airplane with heavy duty servos. This is a high-tech 645 Metal Gear, and I've measured the peak current on this at about 2.5–3 amperes. If I just touch the elevator servo, that shows the voltage dropped below 5.7 volts with no load on the servo. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.2 volts, because the peak current is always going to be the same whether there's a heavy load or not. If I do that, or if I have a lot of other heavy duty servos on there at the same time, this will show even how much it dropped even lower than what it was. We have 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5.2, the same voltage. That shows that the voltage sagging can occur even with very light loads on the servos. So this can be used to let you know if you've got problems in your radio setup. You can either leave it in the plane permanently, or you can put it in there as for testing, whatever it might be. It's under $5 a piece to make, minus the servo connections. It's not too expensive to make. The whole entire file is located underneath the RC Group's webpage under the DIY electronics section, and look for Vollrathd, V Victor OLLRATHD, and you will find it. So I'm going to wrap this thing up and call her a day.